go. One of the oldest coasters in Japan. All right, so we're on the Cyclone here at Toshimaen, and you can see it's themed to a log. How's it going back there, guys?
Awesome.
All right, here we go. One of the oldest roller coasters in Japan. Here we go. I mean, we're going soon. We will be going at some point. This is a long time, and I think we're finally going. All right, guys. Hang on to your phone. Here we go. Whee! This ride makes some funky noises. It's rampy. Here we go. Whee! Hello, log flume. We're not on a log flume. Woo! Tunnel! That was a long-ass tunnel. Whee! And we're done. Honestly, that ride kind of kicks ass. For being like super old, like in the 1960s or 70s, that was pretty awesome. On a side note, I just want to point out that the trains are themed to logs, and the seats have some sort of like velour padding or like awesomeness to them, and they are just as comfortable as they look. That's all. How's it going, everyone? We're on the Cyclone here at Toshimaen in Japan. This is one of the oldest roller coasters in Japan. It was built in like the 1840s or like the 1960s or something like that. I actually don't know, but I'm sure some of you roller coaster people could probably look it up and post it in the comments. We've got a bunch of TPR friends behind us. Say hello, everybody. And we're here riding, and it's awesome. It's a very funky, weird old park, and we love it. All right, hang on, guys. Here we go. We're heading down the first drop. Oh, God. Here comes a big old rampy part. Oh, man. They don't make roller coasters like this anymore. See, the trains are themed to like a log or something. Oh God, here we go! Woo-hoo! Oh! Oh man! All right, here comes the tunnel! Oh, tunnel! It's dark in the tunnel! 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 Whee! Hooray! We're now out of the tunnel! That Cyclone, it's awesome, it's old, and it's in Japan. How'd you guys do back there? I think they liked it. Did you guys like it? Yeah. Okay, all right, that was a positive review. See you later, guys. All right, here we go. We're on a log ride. We're on a log ride. It's actually a really good first drop. Go flat bit, and rampy bit, rampy bit. This log ride lot of fun. Here comes the big tunnel! Darkness in the tunnel! Scooby-Doo, where are you? And we're done. Seriously, this is a really, really good ride.